Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Nasim Siddiqui from Champaran, live in DTS Darut Talim wa Sanat. First of all, may praise be to Allah, the creator of the world, and peace and blessings be upon his Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the head of all messengers, upon his family and all his companions. Dear audience, today I have the pride some humble words about Islam is a solid fact. From the Islamic point of view, knowledge means to uncover the truth and strengthen the faith of a believer. The first revelation of Allah to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is as follows. Read in the name of your Lord who created man from a clot of blood. Read, your Lord is the most bounteous, who has taught the use of the pen, has taught man that which he did not know. اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق خلق الإنسان من علق اقرأ وربك الأكرم الذي علم بالقلم. It is obvious that proper knowledge is necessary to recognize the Creator. Knowledge is an essential instrument for uncovering the secrets of nature. In Islam, to unearth secrets of nature is considered a religious obligation, and it is equivalent to prayer. The Holy Quran says, even so, only those of his servant fear God who have knowledge. إِنَّمَا يَخْشَى اللَّهَ مِنْ عِبَادِهِ الْعُلَمَاء. God will raise up in ranks those of you who believe are endowed with knowledge. وَإِذَا قِيلَ انشُزُوا فَانشُزُوا يَرْفِعِ اللَّهُ الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا مِنْكُمْ. Are the wise and the ignorant equal? قُلْ هَلْ يَسْتَوِي الَّذِينَ يَعْلَمُونَ وَالَّذِينَ لَا يَعْلَمُونَ. Dear brothers, charity is generally known to provide aids to the poor and downtrodden people in all regions of the world. But in Islam, its ramifications are quite broad. Besides giving help to the poor, all humanitarian works are considered as acts of charity in Islam. That is why Islam lays great stress to this noble cause. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, your doing justice between two persons is charity. Your helping a man to mount a horse or carries is charity. Your saying a good thing is charity. Your taking a steps toward prayer is charity. And your removing an obstacle from the road is charity. Dear brothers, spiritual wisdom has a status and grandeur in our society. It enables all mankind to achieve at least a fraction of the synthesis of East and West. It should be kept in mind that our body develops by the continuous circulation of blood day and night. It should be kept in mind developed by the continuous circulation of blood day and night. Day and night, so does remembrance of Allah do heart final rest. Verily, in the remembrance of Allah do heart final rest. Dear brothers, the most striking aspect of Islam is to foster justice and equality amongst a variety of nations, regardless of caste, creed, color, and reason. A cursory look on the life of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam shows a lot of instances which manifest his judicious and fair treatment with Muslims and non-Muslims alike. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam declares that he is not of us who sides with his tribe in aggression, and he is not of us who calls others to help him in tyranny, and he is not of us who dies while assisting his tribe in justice. Thanks. Wa akhiru da'wana and alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.